Howdy. So, this is the brake light switch for a 2011 Nissan Rogue. I've tested the continuity, and the reading that I was getting was on the top two and the bottom two, it was either had continuity on both or had and then if you'd push the button, it had discontinuity on both. I took it apart and tested and found out that this part here, these contacts, focus, these two contacts up here, one on that side, one on that side, that's working all right, but it's, where is he? This guy here slides down these sides. Zoot. If you look in here, that's pretty grimy. I tried cleaning that side. So I'm gonna hit both of these with an alcohol swab, Q-tip, and I bet that's gonna fix it. Hope that it works out the same or even easier for you.